Hi everybody. So this video is to help you with uploading documents in Canvas for grading. Alright, so let's start with Tinkercad circuits. And in this link you'll find a template link. And you'll select the template link. It'll open up a Google Doc. And in the Google Doc you'll select File, make a copy, and then this will make a copy for you. And in your copy, you're going to paste your images into each of these sections here, correspond with the different type of circuit you're building. You have your choice of doing 2 additional circuits of any type that you want to do. It can be Arduino, it can be something else, just as long as you build 2 different circuits and then paste those images in here. Okay. Once that's done, then you'll go to Submit Assignments, and down here you'll select your Google Drive, and then you'll click on that Google Doc, which is going to be the most recent doc you created if you are submitting it directly after creating it. All right, so you should be able to find it there. All right, back to home. For those of you that are now working on the solar cooker, there are a couple of ways you can submit your project information on this. And one is through a Google Doc. You can add all your images to a Google Doc, or you can take separate images and videos and upload those, or you can do it all through video. So you have your choice. So if you're going to do media, let's go with pictures. If you're doing pictures, you can choose a file you want to upload, image of your picture, and then you can add another image until you get all the images so we can see the project completed. You can do a video, you can record media on your phone, you can upload recorded media on your phone of you testing the project and showing all of the recordings of the heat and stuff inside of the solar cooker. Or you can use a Google Doc and you can upload everything to a Google Doc and then upload your Google Doc through the Google Drive. Okay? So those are your options for submitting any of your assignments. I hope this helps some of you guys that are struggling with getting assignments submitted. Thank you.